Local news for Monday the 11th of March. Master man Gurwinder Singh Dandian was reported missing on the 5th of March and is still yet to be located. The 26-year-old was reported missing and police and volunteers have been searching the Cape Palliser area in an effort to locate him. He was last seen near a beach 1.5 kilometres east of the Cape Palliser Lighthouse between 4:30 and 5 p.m. on March 5. Medlink are inviting commuters to meet them tomorrow between 3:30 and 5:30 p.m. at Wellington's railway station. Staff and managers will be on hand to answer questions and hear concerns. Toxic alcohol levels are on the increase around the region, especially in Wairarapa's Ruamahanga catchment, where some sites are nearing or are at guideline levels. Double bridges, Ruamahanga at South Road, Tauhiranika River at Bucks Road and Websters continue to rate poorly. And the Wairarapa has a new champion. Craig Bowyer has won the New Zealand Open Amateur Golf title at the weekend in Rotorua.